Welcome back to Zackus. I'm so glad you joined me for another video. A Trump shirt on. Yeah, baby. This is a quick video about soap savers. Whether you're a Duke Cannon fan, a Beast fan, a Dove fan, you've been watching my soap videos. This video is for you. Here we go. Soap savers. Have you ever heard of one? I hadn't heard of one till about a year ago. I was walking through Whole Foods of all places and I saw this like weird organic thing, kind of like a mesh thing, and I was like, what is this and why is it by the soaps? And I asked somebody and they said it's a soap saver. And I was like, what's a soap saver? And so I bought one and I've been a fan ever since. A lot of you guys complain all the time about your soap's not lasting. I've had complaints myself about like Dove and other soaps I used to use that get real mushy and real like, you know, it's just like a puddle of crap on in your shower. That is what this is for. It basically allows the soap to sit right on top, and because of the design, any like excess water is drained off and leaving your soap dry for the next time instead of letting it get mushy. And so getting it mushy, keeping it from getting mushy, saves it. That's why it's called a soap saver. It makes your soap last longer because it doesn't sit in that water and just basically like fade away while in between showers. So you can pick up one of these super cheap on Amazon, Whole Foods, pretty much anywhere. But I got these gray ones because I wanted some gray ones off of Amazon. They're different colors, different shapes, different sizes. You don't want to get too thick, but you also don't want to get too thin. It depends on what kind of soap you're using. If you're using Duke Cannon, a big bar, you know, if you're using Beast, one of their bigger bars, you may need one a little thicker. If you're using something more soggy, like Dove soap or Ivory, something a little cheaper that really gets mushy really fast, you might want something a little thicker. That way that it really drains that water off and keeps it dry. And I know it's hard to see in a video, and I'll get a close-up shot for you guys so you can see that. But it is very easy to use and very easy to just clean off if it gets some soap on it, but most of the time it doesn't. Works really great for me. I hope this video helps you. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Don't be offended by this. If you're a Biden supporter, I love you too. Be a fan of Zackus. We got some cool stuff. Right underneath all my videos, it says description. There's always links to everything we talk about so you can learn more and buy it. It helps support the channel. I love you guys. I love your beautiful faces. Thanks for being subscribers to all my subscribers. We love you. It's been an awesome 2020. We got some awesome new stuff coming. Be sure and get notified first when I put those videos up. And I'll catch you in the next Zackus video. Peace.